Hello students, in today's video of C language, I am going to discuss about arrays, in C language. First of all, definition of array. What's array? It's a collection of similar data type. How to declare array in C language? Suppose I write int a, then I have to give the size. Suppose I write 4 here, then 2, 5, 1, 9. Suppose these are the elements. Now what is the meaning of this? It means A0 is equal to 2, A1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to 1, and A3 is equal to 9. It means if I write A n, it means the location is from 0 to n minus 1. This is the definition and declaration of array. Now, after this, what are the characteristics of array? Number 1, all the elements share the same name. Number 2, if there are n elements, then location is from 0 to n minus 1. Second, to assess the elements, it's third one, to assess the elements, we will use for loop. In programming, we learn this. Number 4, if you want to assess single element of the array, you can assess using its location. Like if I have to assess 5 from the above array, then I can write A1 like this. These are the basic things about array: collection of similar data type, then how to declare the array. These are the locations A0 to A3. It means if I write AN, if I write A7 here, it means 0 to 6. If I write A10, then 0 to 9. One more thing, the declaration require a number. For example, we have to write a like this. Some number is required. What's not required, you can't write like this a n. Variable is not accepted. You can't write like this a empty. This one is not required. You can't write like this. You can't write like this. These are the basic things about arrays. Definition, declaration, then some of the characteristics of arrays. Suppose I write here void main, then int a inside 4, then some elements 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. It means 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Total 9 elements are there. It means I have to write 9 here like this, because 9 elements are there. Then for accessing the elements, suppose I write printf, then %d for integer value. Suppose I write a2. Now what will be the value? This location is 0, 1, 2. I think 1 is required. Let's execute the program. 1 is there. It means I can access the elements using A0, A1, A2, A3 like this. It means I can use for loop here for I is equal to 0, I less than 9, I plus plus. It means I can access all the elements by writing here I at this stage. Now execute the program. Declaration of I is required. Int I. Then execute. You can check all the elements 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. If I write I is equal to I plus 2, it means I can print the values at odd location 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 like this. Then execute the program. I can print 2, 1, 6, 8 and 11. 2, 1, 6, 8 and 11. According to your choice, you can print the values. In the next video, I will discuss about some more operations on arrays. Thanks for watching my video.